So, how to make a paracord bracelet without the buckles. What you'll need is 2 pieces of paracord. I cut one at 50 inches and I cut one at 21 inches, I think that was. Basically it needs to be able to go around your wrist with a bit of slack when it's doubled up, right? Do you see that there? Okay, that's your inside piece, and this longer one will be the one that we'll be putting on the outside of that one to give the weave. You'll also need some scissors, maybe a tape measure to, tape measure, and a lighter to burn off the end. So we start by finding the middle of this longer one by putting the ends together and finding the middle. Same thing with this guy, and then we'll just do a knot at the end here. Easy peasy. And try and make that knot tight. Okay, there we go. That should fit nicely around my wrist now. With a little bit of slack yet, because the weaving's going to take up some space on that. Then we take our weaving line, put it in behind the pink one there. We'll start off by crossing over the pink from the left to the right. So you have something that looks like that. And you take the one from the back and you go over, around behind the pink, and out through the top of the loop. And cinch that up a little. Okay, make sure that your hole is big enough to get your knot through. Okay, then when you do your next weave, you want to start on the end that has the notch there. So we would fold that over, bring this guy over top, behind the pink, and through the loop. Tighten that up. Okay, you can see now the notch is on the left, so we'll fold our left over, bring the right hand over top, and through the back. Okay, our notch is on the right, so we'll fold over the right hand side, over top, and through the back. Sorry if what I'm doing keeps going out of frame. I'm trying to do this in front of the camera. It's actually my first time trying to do something like this in front of the camera, so do bear with me. Okay, make another loop like that, and you bring this guy through. And you'll see you're starting to get the weave pattern that we're looking for. And just keep going. See there? That doesn't look right, does it? I did something wrong. See, as soon as I tried to go quickly. Okay, so you get it like that, over top, and through the back. There. Okay. As long as you stay in rhythm, you should do just fine. Probably this video is going to get interrupted. I'm expecting my wife to come home any minute, bother me and interrupt. Not that what my wife bothers me, but interrupting the video would be a bother. Okay, and just carry on in the same pattern, back and forth, left and right. Always starting the loop on the side that has the notch there. And you'll find that your weaving line and even the center piece there, the pink one, seems to be getting shorter. And just keep going until you pretty much can't go anymore. Depending on your wrist size, your measurements for this may vary. And for me, it's something I found that it's trial and error to get the exact right lengths. And I'm just about done here. Don't know that I can get another loop out of that, so we'll call that done. And I'll check that for a fit. Of course, I can't slip it over when I got the camera in front of me. Okay. And that's a perfect fit, I would say. Gives a little bit of slack there. Okay. So, what we need to do now is trim off all the fuzzy stuff here. And heat it with a lighter. And press it in so that it won't fray anymore. Just like that. And then these guys here, cinch them up nice and tight and trim them off and cinch it in. Same thing for the other side. And there you have one completed paracord bracelet without clasps. There you go, finished product. Enjoy.